Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside the most extraordinary homes in the world. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive tour of a stunning black and blue luxury modern home, a masterpiece designed with elegance, power, and pure architectural confidence. From drone shots to interiors, from the swimming pool to the night view, this home is built to impress from every angle. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this cinematic experience. Let's begin with a breathtaking drone day view of the property. As the drone rises, you can immediately feel the grandeur of the home's bold black and blue exterior. The rooflines are sharp, the structure stands tall, and the modern geometry gives the house a powerful presence. The surrounding landscape is perfectly manicured, making this home look like it belongs on the cover of a luxury real estate magazine. As we move lower toward the front entrance, the design becomes even more striking. The entrance features floor-to-ceiling glass, clean pathways, and subtle LED highlights that complement the black and blue tones. The architecture creates a strong visual impact from the very first step, setting the tone for the incredible interior that awaits inside. Before we enter, take a look at the garage area. This garage isn't just practical, it's a statement of its own. Sleek matte black doors, blue accent lighting, and enough space for multiple luxury vehicles. It's the kind of garage that complements a lifestyle filled with precision, organization, and high-end taste. Now let's step into the living room, where the entire mood shifts into warm, open luxury. The space is filled with natural light pouring in through giant windows. The decor follows a soft black and blue palette that blends modern comfort with elegant minimalism. Every piece of furniture feels custom selected, the textures balance each other perfectly, and the flow of the room invites you to stay and relax. Whether it's family gatherings, guest entertainment, or peaceful evenings, this living room does it all effortlessly. Moving forward, we arrive in the kitchen, and this area steals the show instantly. Designed with a perfect blend of beauty and functionality, the kitchen features a large quartz island, premium appliances, and clean black cabinetry with subtle blue undertones. The lighting brings out every detail, and the layout offers both style and convenience. It's the kind of kitchen where cooking feels less like a task and more like an experience. Next to the kitchen, we enter the elegant dining table area. This space carries a modern aesthetic with a long table, comfortable chairs, soft overhead lighting, and carefully selected decor. It's ideal for hosting dinners, family meals, or special celebrations. The entire setting looks like it was taken straight from a luxury interior design portfolio. Now, let's explore the bedrooms, beginning with the master suite. The master bedroom is an oasis of serenity, dressed in calming tones with a premium king-size bed, soft linens, and a smooth balance of natural and artificial light. The room feels open, peaceful, and thoughtfully designed for rest and privacy. Attached to the master bedroom is the luxury bathroom, and this space is pure 5-star hotel quality. A freestanding bathtub sits against a wall of black marble, while the blue LED accents create a spa-like atmosphere. The glass shower, premium fixtures, and clean tile work make this bathroom one of the most luxurious areas of the home. Moving into the TV lounge, you're greeted with a cozy layout, soft lighting, a massive TV screen, and comfortable seating. It's the perfect space for movie nights, gaming, or relaxing after a long day. The black and blue interior theme continues in subtle, stylish details that tie the whole home together. Stepping outside, we enter one of the most impressive features, the swimming pool. The pool glows under the sun, reflecting the modern architecture of the house. The deck area is spacious, perfect for sunbathing, BBQs, or outdoor gatherings. From this angle, the home looks even more stunning with its bold colors contrasting against the blue water. Next, we visit the gym, a fully equipped fitness room designed with clean flooring, glass walls, and a motivating atmosphere. It offers enough space for strength training, cardio, and stretching, everything needed for a complete workout right at home. And now, for one of the most magical parts of the tour, the night view. As the sun sets, the house transforms completely. The black and blue exterior glows with warm lights, the pool illuminates the outdoor area, and the architecture looks even more dramatic against the night sky. It's a picture-perfect view that feels like a luxury resort. This black and blue luxury home is more than a house, it's a lifestyle. Its comfort, Style, elegance, and modern living brought together in one extraordinary masterpiece. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed the tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible luxury home videos. And if you have a stunning home you'd like us to feature, reach out. Your property could be the next star of our channel.